welcome to the channel. This is Flicks by Rich, and I'm here to show you how I fit my photos on Instagram using Photoshop. Let's get it. We're in Lightroom right now. Let's head to Photoshop. Right click, edit in, Photoshop. Edit. Alright, we're in Photoshop. Let's make a copy. Control or Command J. Now we go to the crop tool, press C. Alright. So now make sure the ratio is 4:5 because Instagram ratio is 4:5, alright? Click on 4:5. Press Alt or Option, whether you're using a Mac or PC. Go to the corner and drag to the lots. Boom. Press enter. Okay, we go to this marquee tool. Shortcut is M. Let's drag. Make sure you don't touch the subject at all, okay guys? Because it will look warpy. Alright, so we drag until just right before the subject. Control or Command J, let's make a copy. We go to the copy layer. Control or Command T. Let's drag it out. Let's enter. Now we do the other side. Don't do it on the same layer, guys. Do it on the original copy layer here. Alright, do the same thing. Drag it out right before it touches the subject. Now we make another copy. Go to this copy layer. Control or Command T. Enter. It's that easy, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe. I hope this helped. Thank you.